Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom text down here. And as you can see on mine, it says updates come out often, so stay tuned. And it kind of flips through, and so this is going to be a short tutorial video, but I'll tell you what, it'll be a really helpful one. So first, to get started, I'm going to go ahead and delete my GUI. Okay, so now we're starting all over. Okay, so first, ignore your workspace. Go to Starter GUI, push the plus, click Screen GUI, take Screen GUI, name it BottomText GUI. You can name it anything you want, but I'd recommend actually naming it. So then you want to insert a here. You can just go up here, click it, and then click text label. You'll insert a text label, move it down to the bottom of your screen, scale it a little, make it look a little nice. Okay, now you're going to go in properties. You're going to want to go to background transparency, click 1. Then you might not be able to see the text, so you want to make it bigger. I would recommend size 30. And then Gotham Black. Then also go to text color and make it orange to make it more appealing to players. Then we are going to go back from text label. I'm going to call this bottom text. So now we're going to add a local script into our game. Name the local script BottomText script, and then take the hello world thing, delete it, and type in local BottomText equals script.Parent. This makes our script shorter. Okay, then local function text1 equal. Okay, so put enter automatic script making. We'll put the end thing. I don't know what it's called. I don't care what it's called. Okay, but so then you want to put bottom, not brick colored, BottomText.Text equals these two marks, whatever they're called, and then you're going to want to put whatever you want your text to be. Mine will be subscribe to Aiden Plays. Then you want to make another local function and do the same thing to make it a loop. Okay, now you're going to want to put BottomText.Text equals same thing. Then you're going to want to and guys, you do have to do it exactly like this. However, if I wanted to name text to something else like explosive diarrhea, then I could, and you guys can too. As long as you be careful and don't screw up your script. So, but this part inside has to be exactly the same. Unless your function's different, but just stick to this if you're new to coding. So what you're going to want to do here, type in your text. Oh wait, I already said that. Yeah, I think my text will be like the game, like and favorite the game if you enjoy. Like a favorite game if you enjoy. Local function text3. And you might have to make sure you put those marks on the end because it shows that it's a function. and it creates, and what the function does, local function creates a new function. So bottom text equals updates come out often, so stay tuned. Then I'm going to put local function text for BottomText.Text equals. Okay, let's see. I think I'll make mine. Also, please try some of my other games. There are some really, just this. Also try some of my other games. Local function text 5 BottomText.Text equals consider. I was gonna say consider donating because I'm gonna make a donating pass. Okay, let's see. If you find any bugs, then send me a note. Then try to contact me. Look, and try to contact me. What, I swear I pushed end. Oh, weird. Oh, that's because bottom text. Why is bottom text a function? It should not be a function. Yeah, guys, that should not be a function. Okay, local text dot bottom text dot text equals found a bug. Try to contact me, please. Local function. I think I'll make mine text 6. Bottom text dot text equals also please consider donating. Please consider donating. So please consider donating. Okay, now guys that we're done with that, I'm going to add a while true do loop, which is a loop that will we'll do this. It'll loop the text to where it goes on all games, so you guys can decide how to do yours. I'm going to do mine in a minute loop since there's 6 of them. 60 seconds divided by 6 equals 10. So let's get into this. Text 1 function wait 10 text2 function symbol wait 10. Yeah, I'm just gonna push control. Here, actually, yeah, I'm just gonna push control C. Text 3. Control V. Text 4. Control V. Text 5. Enter Control V, and then text 6. Enter Control V. So that will make us a 1-minute loop. I'm gonna go ahead and play the loop because this will look really good on our game, and it'll be the best. So yeah. Okay, 6 text. Subscribe to Aiden Plays. Like and favorite the game if you enjoyed. Okay, just walk around. Let's see, so updates come out often, so stay tuned. Alright, what else you gotta say? Come on, bring it to me straight. Nice. Come on. Also, please try some of my other games. Found a bug? Try to contact me, please. Please, please. The only problem with this thing is it doesn't go, whenever something's blue, it makes it white. Also, please consider donating. Subscribe to Aiden. Exactly. It is perfecto, or perlecto, or neglecto, or I have no idea. Sedoto, Logogoto, Fortnite. Okay, yeah, but like, subscribe if you haven't. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Goodbye.